be a life changer. This is gonna be a life changer. I've been telling people about this car, but they haven't been listening to me. So now I'm live with this car enthusiast arbitrage. Okay, this is just designed to tell you how you can level up with yourself. And these cars right here are going for a lot of money right now. They're all classic, especially this one that you see right here. It's a classic car. Most people haven't realized that when you start driving cars like this, you become successful. And I'm not just saying you're going to be successful because you have a car like this. I'm just saying that people are attracted to you when you drive a car like this, a beautiful car like this. It's a classic, or this one right here. Okay, and I'm be telling people about what these cars can do for you, but they don't understand. It helps build your network. Okay, if you're a car enthusiast right now and you're trying to level up and you try to understand why this kind of cars are the best cars to tap into, I'm here. I got your back. I got your back right now. Do me a quick favor, tap into this real quick. When you tap into this quick, you're gonna understand. Again, my goals for this is them hats right there. Okay, so 100 of them. Okay, but don't let that fool you. These cars right here, I've been talking about how this kind of a car right here, especially this one that's called a V12, okay, Rentec, with this huge brake calipers and stuff, or this one right here that's an i8, okay, with exclusive brake calipers. These are the kind of cars that make you famous. This is the kind of car people want to be associated with. They want to be associated with whoever drives this kind of cars. Okay, if you drive a car that's heavy like this, you drive a car that's classic. Okay, these are both classic cars, but they are unique cars. Okay, look at this huge brake calipers. Only this car right here has a wheel that looks like that. Only this car. And when I tell you this is a car that's classic, and I'm not playing with you, okay? These are the classic cars that you can arbitrage. How can you arbitrage it? Look at this one. It's already Rentec approved, okay? So what that means is when you come on here, you're only gonna see the best. I'm only gonna be telling you the best cars that you need to arbitrage right now. And I'm gonna leave a link somewhere below in the description. If you want to know how to arbitrage a car like this, I will tell you the exact secrets that I've used to arbitrage this car. Okay, this one's been obviously modified. You can see how it was modified, and I'll tell you exactly how to do the same thing. How you can go from a nobody and start driving classic cars like this has been modified. Look at it. Look at this shit. Okay, look how great it is. V12 Biturbo. That means it has 24 valves, folks. 24 valves. Again, let me tell you something. Classic cars like this are not for everybody. They're for people that know exactly what they want to do. They're for people that are saying, you know what, I'm going to level up because this is a Daimler. It's original Daimler. 50th anniversary, okay? This Daimler, this particular one has gone through a lot of changes and modifications. Look how great the color is, okay? It's real great. It's, it's called Cubentine Silver. Unblemished. Look at this stuff. And I'm telling you right now, cars like this are what people are looking for. They're looking for cars like this because of uniqueness. Again, like I told you, this is Rentec. You see that right there? That badge is Rentec. Okay, but if you can tell me what car this is, and I will tell you exactly. Okay, the car arbitrage is on right now. And I'm talking about some really high level cars like this one right here. This one right here is a classic car, and I've been having it for quite a while. I've been telling people this car is going to be classic and it's going to cost a lot of money. This is a Roadster, and this is the copper wall silver version, okay? Now, let me tell you something. If you want to know how to get a car like this in your garage and have the kind of network that I've been building, I've put together a masterclass that's going to help you exactly understand how this car arbitrage thing works. This car arbitrage thing is for successful individuals. Again, let me go back and sit down. And I'm telling you, when I first saw this car, I was like, hey, what is this car? The color is what got me, the color. But I'm telling you, that's not all. Hey, Sunday, thanks. This car arbitrage thing right here has been a phenomenal thing since I decided to start doing car arbitrage, okay? I have been putting it away and sharing some of them, but now I'm like, you know what, just keep them because they're so classy and you're not going to be able to find these cars again. Even if you wanted to buy them with the cost of the tariffs and stuff, you might be spending too much. And this particular car is very futuristic. It's very futuristic because you can't find them anymore. They stopped making this car, and that's what makes it so special. And I'm telling you right now, with my car arbitrage, I'm going to tell you the exact same secrets that I've utilized to tap into unique cars like this, and you can tap into them same secrets, but they're not for everybody. They're for people that are looking for the exclusive cars that you can't find anywhere, like this one right here. This one been modified. It's a V8 Biturbo, okay? It's a V8 Biturbo, and I'm telling you right now, you're not going to be able to find a car that looks like this. It's classic. It's classic. Everything around about it is classic. And it smells classic. It drives classic. It's so classic. Not to mention this one that you see right here. Everything about this one is so classy too. Look at the calipers. Look at the brake caliper and this stuff. Look how huge these brakes are. They had to make them so it can stop. Because let me tell you something. This is a monster. This is a monster, okay? So is this one. This one is a hybrid. So with this one, you can charge on either side. So tell me exactly who right here is ready to level up. If you're ready to level up to learn the exact secrets that I've been using to get cars like this off the lot and into my damn garage, I can share those arbitrage secrets for you. But first, you have to type me in the chat. Go ahead and type me. I want to see you level up with me. Level up with me, and I'm going to share the exact secrets I've been using. And don't let me show you another arbitrage car that you're never going to think you're going to be able to afford, because it's very different. You see that one right there? You see that one right there? That one is beyond belief. This one right here, it's an arbitrage vehicle, but you're not going to know how to tap into something like this. Look at this. Look at this. This is unique. Okay. Again, remember, I'm all about unique cars. I don't just like tap into any cars. I tap into unique cars like this one. I already showed you the other two. This kind of cars right here will hold your value. It will hold your value, and it looks really unique. And I can tell you exactly how you can arbitrage a car like this. Okay. If you want to learn the secrets that I've utilized to learn how to arbitrage cars like this and put them in my garage, tap below, and I'm going to show you exactly what that means. I'll show you how you can tap into a car like this. I'll show you how you can tap into this kind of a car right here, or that one over there. Again, remember, this car arbitrage is for select individuals that don't understand exactly how to do this kind of things. I've been teaching this for quite a while, but now, with the way the tariffs is going, you're going to be hard-pressed to find original cars like this that are well-maintained in a garage that you can tap into, okay? Again, I'm telling you right now, my goal right here, you can see my goal up there, but this car arbitrage is for select individuals. And I'm going to tell you the exact steps that I've utilized to tap into this kind of a car arbitrage. Arturo, I see you. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Charles Bell, I see you. Okay, if I tell you that this is really what you need to be doing right now when the economy is bad, okay? You need to be packing your assets. You need to be investing in car arbitrage assets. These are assets that never go down, but you need to find the right car arbitrage to invest in, okay? The right car arbitrage to put in your garage. So the money is right there. You are not worrying about money. This right here is money. This is real money. This is real money, and it's real money. It's worth its weight in gold, folks. This car arbitrage I'm telling you about right now. This is the car. You see this one right here with the nice sunroof? This is ultimate, man. This is ultimate. This is classic. Classic, 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 classic. So classic. Look at this shit. You don't see this in emblems anymore. This one is also tweaked. Okay? It's so tweaked and it's so classy. Again, remember, this is not the kind of cars that you see every day on the road. That's why when I drive this arbitrage cars, every so often I got to fill them up. People are looking, they're wondering what it is. Okay? But you can also figure out a way to tap into this kind of an arbitrage. But I'll tell you the secrets. The secrets to get a car like this, Matt, Joyce, is persistence. Persistence to say, hey, I know exactly what I'm going to be doing. This one is called Copper Wall. This is an exclusive car, okay? Now, let me tell you something about this particular one. It's a hybrid, which means you can run it as an electric. You can also drive it conventional, which means it can save you money. Right now, you can save you a lot of money while you're busy worrying about where you're going to get your next rent. While you're busy worrying about what's happening to your investments, you can actually tap into this one, okay? That one right there, they only made 427 of them for the United States and North America. So this one you may never see in your life because it's limited production. This one right here, they stopped producing. And because they stopped producing it, it means the value just went up. And if you're looking for one like this, make sure you find the one that's roadster. What do I mean by roadster? That means it's a convertible like this. Okay, remember the new Corvettes right now? They're trying to emulate this stuff. The engine is right here. It's a roadster. Like I told you, you want to get a roadster. Okay, if you can find a Copper Wall roadster, that's even better. Oh my God, this is so great. Again, like I told you, these cars are so great, and I can't even believe that I have them in my garage, okay? But let me tell you something. I will teach you the exact steps that I've utilized to tap into cars like this, to tap into exclusive cars and limited production cars that will go up in value. These cars are scheduled to go up in value. So let me tell you something. As a matter of fact, do me a quick favor, keep the like buttons going. When you leave the like buttons, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step instructions that I'm going to use to let you know exactly what's going on. Okay, I see y'all still interested, but nobody's tapping in. Okay, thank you, James. I see you. Thank you. Andrew, I see you. Keep the likes button going, and I'll be sharing some more information right now. Okay, I'll be sharing some more information so you can know exactly what it takes to get a car like this, or this one right here. Or I already told you the one that's over there. That one is so limited production. I'm not even going to show you. They don't sell them. They don't sell this in public. You have to custom order this. You see this thing right here? You see this thing right here? It's a car, but it looks like a motorcycle. It has 3 wheels, but it's registered as a car. It's so great. It's not as great as this one though, because this one is a classic. Okay. All the cars that you see right now that are coming out that want to be electric, they're trying to emulate this car. This is a hybrid, which means it has 2 kinds of motors. It has the electric engine and it has the conventional engine. On top of that, it's actually a convertible, okay? It's a convertible. And on top of that, it looks so great. Okay, they're trying to bring this car back, but they're never going to bring this car back because there's nothing like it. Even till today, when you see this car on the road, it commands respect. People don't know what it is, but when you see this emblem, you're going to give them respect because they deserve respect. Just like that one over there deserves respect. This one is over a 20-year-old car that still commands respect. Okay, when you see these things like this or that one that I showed you, you better believe it, that something is going to happen. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this live. I'm going to be posting the link to the car arbitrage secrets that I'm going to put below in the description below. So make sure you follow me if you're not already following me so you can. I'm going to tap this and I'm going to do the replay. Okay, guys, that's all I have.